Welcome to our step-by-step guide on opening a trading account for beginners. Whether you're new to trading or looking to expand your investment options, this video will explain everything you need to know. Step 1. Choose a broker. Research and select a reputable online broker that fits your needs. Look for low fees, user-friendly platforms, and reliable customer support. Step 2. Visit the broker's website. Once you've chosen a broker, head to their website and click on the Open an Account or Sign Up button. Step 3. Fill out the registration form. Provide your personal information, including your name, email address, and contact details. This is necessary to verify your identity and ensure the security of your account. Step 4. Complete the account verification process. Most brokers require you to submit documentation, such as a copy of your ID or proof of address. Follow the instructions provided carefully to ensure a smooth verification process. Step 5. Choose your account type. Brokers offer various account types, such as individual, joint, or retirement accounts. Select the option that aligns with your investment goals. Step 6. Fund your account. Decide how much money you want to initially invest and transfer that amount into your trading account. Some brokers may offer welcome bonuses or incentives for new customers. Step 7. Explore the trading platform. Get familiar with the broker's trading platform, which is where you'll execute trades, monitor your portfolio, and access market data. Take advantage of any educational resources provided by the broker to enhance your trading knowledge. Step 8. Start trading. Begin by researching stocks or other financial instruments that interest you. Analyze charts, read news, and consider the advice of experienced traders. When you're ready, place your first trade by following the broker's instructions. Congratulations! You've successfully opened a trading account. Start small, stay informed, and always remember that trading involves risks. If you have any questions or need assistance, reach out to your broker's support team.